Hi, everyone. I'm going to talk today about how service meshes are struggling with the reality of today's enterprise. I'm Frank, VP of Engineering at HAProxy Technologies, and I'll give you a glimpse into our take on simplifying modern connectivity. Let's start off with a statement. Service meshes, can you move back? Sorry. Service mesh was designed to solve connectivity. However, for most organizations, it seems to have shifted complexity elsewhere. The reality is, the modern enterprise is fractured. It wasn't built, it evolved. We all live with multiple clouds, multiple clusters, on-premise data centers, and critical legacy applications that can't change. Traditional service meshes weren't designed for this. Then comes the mesh tax. You have sidecar architectures, which is basically a sidecar injected per pod, become too expensive and complex as you scale to hundreds and thousands of pods. Then you have the sidecarless architecture, which is better. However, complexity is distributed to different distributed components. A layer 4 proxy per node, and layer 7 proxies per namespace or service account. Crucially, both architectures still fail at unifying hybrid cloud, managing north-south traffic, and federated or multi-cluster setups. The problem isn't the service, it's the boundary. We've been hyper-focused on services. The real challenge is the network boundary. What if we stop trying to manage sprawling sidecar and proxy deployments and instead focus on a few strategic gateways at network boundaries? This is our approach, the universal mesh. It's a simpler, flexible, more powerful approach backed by HAProxy with 20+ years of proven reverse proxy experience. It focuses on convergence. The ingress, the mesh, the proxy all become one. It's federated out of the box, enabling effortless multi-cluster, multi-cloud, equaling unified security, connectivity, and observability, all from the authoritative expert at HAProxy, authors of the world's fastest application delivery and security platform. The pillars of any service mesh are the control plane and the data plane. Our control plane, HAProxy Fusion, communicates with APIs, and multiple APIs, multiple clusters. Then our data plane relies on HAProxy, which is known for its legendary performance and reliability. This architecture enables both north-south communication and east-west communication, so for omnidirectional support across Kubernetes clusters, multiple clouds, container services, on-premise. We're basically infrastructure agnostic. Then it relies on HAProxy's rich feature set to deliver core service mesh capabilities for even the most complicated workflows, as you can see on the right of the slide. It basically solves unsolvable problems. It's a single pattern to connect everything. Multi-cluster and federation, it's multi-cluster and federation ready. It understands Kubernetes resources and infrastructure resources, which enables intelligent routing and policies, without forcing architectural compromises. Its flexible deployment model allows you to run gateways external to Kubernetes for traditional infrastructure or within clusters for cloud-native workloads, allowing for mixed topologies as required. It essentially eliminates the mesh tax. No sidecars or distributed components. This means reduced overhead, no extra latency on every pod, node, or cluster. Simple upgrades, automated replacements of HAProxy, a few powerful HAProxy versus tons of sidecars and distributed components. And we chose to go with explicit routing, enabling transparency for when issues inevitably arise. You get all the benefits of a mesh at a fraction of the cost and complexity. Unbelievably, connectivity has become a limiting factor to innovation. Traditional network models can't keep pace. Current service meshes solve tactical problems within constrained boundaries. We believe the universal mesh is not an incremental improvement. It's a paradigm shift in how we approach enterprise connectivity. Thank you for your time. Come see us at booth number 600 for more information, or see our other session video on haproxy.com, or HAProxy and the universal mesh connect every single service, app, and cloud. Thank you so much. Have a great show.